In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove Snapchat lenses from the carousel. So to show you what I mean, if I just open up Snapchat real quick, I'll be on the Snapchat camera. Now to get to the lenses carousel, just tap on this little smiley face icon right over there. And you'll notice that the carousel with all the lenses appears for me. Now to get rid of, let me just say I want to get rid of this lens that is the scanning lens right now. If I want to get rid of it, it's pretty straightforward and simple. Just tap on this little eye icon there at the top left hand corner. That'll load up a page and you can see an option here that says remove lens. So all you need to do is tap on remove lens. It says this will remove the lens from your carousel. Tap on remove and then you can see that that lens is now gone. Now some of them are actually sponsored lenses and you can't actually get rid of the sponsored ones. If I tap on the eye on a sponsored lens, it just says report ad. And why am I seeing this ad? So you could try to report the ad to not make it show on your carousel, but you can't get rid of the sponsored ones. And if you want to get rid of another one, just find the one you want to get rid of, tap on the eye and then tap on remove lens, remove, and then that is gone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.